Hello guys, I'm Raznija and I welcome you all in my channel Knowledge King. Today I'm here with English grammar topic and the topic is adverb. You can look at the board. Adverb. So today we'll know about adverb. What is adverb? What are the uses of adverb? As well as we'll come to know about different types of adverbs. So there are 5 types of adverbs I have already written here that we'll come to know all through the examples, and I hope you will understand when you watch this video properly and carefully till the end. You will be able to understand adverb and its types, as well as you will be able to use it in your English language. So without delay, we should start our topic. So adverb. First of all, we'll talk about what is adverb. Adverbs are the words, or adverb is a word that describes adjective, verb and another adverb. Just listen to it carefully. I have not written the definition, but let us try to understand what is adverb. Adverbs are the words which describe adjective. We have studied adjective. What is adjective? Which describes adjective, verb, action words and another adverb. So let us know through the examples. If I say, the first I said the adverbs are the words which describe adjective. So what is adjective? If I write good, let us take a simple word good. We know, we have studied in previous video what is adjective. So we know what is adjective. Adjective describes noun and pronoun. Just for example, if I have written good, good is an adjective. If I say the boy is good, so the good or good boy. If I say good boy, then here this is just a phrase. Good boy means here this is an adjective which describes the noun, that is boy. And here we have to know how adverb will describe about adjective. They just add an adverb here, very. Very is an adverb which describes first adjective. So here this good, the word good is adjective which has been described by verb, and very, that is adverb. So it has been described. The next we have, next I said that adverb describes verb. Let us talk about another example, that is verb means action word. Verb means action word. Just if I write, simply write. The word write is an action word or verb, you can say. So when we will discuss, as I said that adverb describes verb also. So here also this word can be described by adverb. Write or writes slowly. If I write here she, that is subject, writes, that is an action word, verb, and slowly, this is slowly, which is an adverb. Slowly is an adverb which describes a verb. So here we have understood, it is clear that adverb can describe verb also, adjective also. Now let us know about the adverb, how it describes adverb. Okay, as I said, it describes verb. When we have a word, let us know about this. Most of the people are confused for this. The word fast. Fast is used as adjective also, adverb also. When we will use it with noun, it will work like adjective. But when we will use it as pronoun, with adjective or with adjective or with verb, then it will work like adverb. So it depends on. So here if I say it is fast, this is just like adverb. He runs fast. He runs fast. So before fast we have verb, and this fast word adverb is describing about verb, that is runs. Okay, action word. And next, if before fast, if I write he runs very fast. So here this is adverb. So this has become also adverb, this has also become adverb, this is also adverb, and this is verb, and this is subject. So what is there? This is verb. So okay, it is being described by fast, and fast is also being described by verb, very, that is also adverb. So both very is also adverb and fast is also adverb. But instead of fast, if I write slowly, then also it will describe adverb only. We must know, most of the time you will when you talk about adverb, especially adverb manner, we find that at last we have ly. most of the time you will get that exercise also. Some of the adjectives will be there and you have to add ly at last to make it adverb. So that will come to know when we will solve the exercises. For now, the definition which I said, that adverbs are the words which describe adjective, adverb and verb, means another adverb and verb. So that is clear through the examples. Let us talk about types of adjectives. So here we have 5 types of adjective which I have already said: adverb of manner, adverb of frequency, adverb of time, adverb of degree and adverb of place at last. So first of all, we'll talk about adverb of manner. Okay, through definition, as I said, the adverb describes, as adjective describes quality or disquality. In the same way, whatever quality and disquality, the way how an action is done, as it talks about action most of the time, how an action is done, how, that will come in manner. So manner tells us how something is done. Okay, so it talks about the manner of an action. For example, beautifully, if I write beautifully, that is also an adverb. Here also I had written slowly, that is also adverb of manner, which tells us about how an action is done. Next we have adverb of frequency. What is this? Adverb of frequency means it talks about how often. How often do you do your work? How often do you go? Like, I always go to school. I always try to record my videos for education purpose. I always I often talk to the people who like me. So this often, always, these all words will come soon. These all words will come in adverb of frequency, which tells us how often, how long, not how long, how often, how, yes, how long also, that will come in time, how often an action is done. The next we have adverb of time. Time, it is clear. So if we talk about time, time doesn't mean only 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. It may talk about the morning time also, evening time also, yesterday also, today also and tomorrow also. That depends on. So adverb of time tells us about when. It gives the answer of the question when an action is done. When do you get up in the morning? You can say I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So the 4 o'clock will be adverb of time. If you say when do you go for jogging? I go for jogging in the morning. So in the morning, that will be adverb of time. When do you go for walk? I go to walk for in the evening. For walk in the evening. So in the evening will be adverb of time. It tells us about time when an action is done. The next we have adverb of degree. Okay. Now adverb of degree, what does it mean? Adverb of degree simply tells us about absolutely, where means you can say the extent, what extent, at what of what extent the work is done, whether you are showing it 100% surety or assured, you're not sure about the work, that those all things will come in adverb of degree. For example, when you're talking, you're making something assured, right? I'll definitely win this match. Okay, so that will come in degree. I'm absolutely I'm absolutely right when you say it is just like absolutely. Okay, I am going there. I will definitely be going there. Absolutely. Now you have very. Okay, he is very much extinct, or he is very conscious for his work. So all these things will come in verb of degree. What extent? Extent of work means level. The last we have adverb of place. The place, the name itself is clear that place. It talks about place where an action is done. It will answer your question where. Of the question where, which starts with where. Like, where are you sleeping? I'm sleeping on the bed. Okay. Where are you eating? I'm eating just by sitting on the chair or on the dining table. Where do you go to play? I go to play in playground. So in playground, outside, inside, down, up. All these things will come in adverb of place, which tells about us or answers the question where an action takes place. So these all are about different types of adverbs. So I hope this is clear now, and that's all for today. Thank you.